Welcome back. We are getting the Can-Am ready for a little winter adventure. We basically have it enclosed. We have our side windows on. We have our front windshield. I finally got full doors put on, but we don't have a back windscreen at all. We've always had a net here, but it doesn't hold the cold out. So we reached out to Benlari and they sent us a rear window that we're gonna put in here. And hopefully that'll help keep the cab warm enough for this winter adventure. So let's get that put in. This is what we have from Benlari. Just a little plastic windscreen, Velcro, ties around the roll bar. Should be pretty easy to install. And hopefully it'll block out that wind enough and keep some of that extra heat in the cab to make it a little bit nicer this winter. Overall, looks pretty nice. Feels like it's nice thick plastic. The straps look pretty nice and thick. We never think to do any of these installations when it's nice and warm. We always wait till it's like 15 degrees outside and we're stuck in the garage and poor lighting and everything else. It just, the way things go sometimes. And it doesn't help that it's the last minute. I mean, it's like almost 9 o'clock and we're supposed to leave tomorrow on this adventure. And we have so much packing to do because we are getting, what, like 14 of us up to the cabin. And there's feet of snow up there. It's just, I always wait till the last minute for anything. It's nice that they have it all cut out, so it kind of, wherever there's a flat spot, you have a piece of Velcro. It's almost like they thought this thing through. Benlari's pretty good about that stuff. So like right here, where the air intake is, just right on top of it. And if you ever decide to take this off, whatever, I mean, you can leave the Velcro, that way you can put it on again. But the Velcro comes up, a little bit of like blow dryer, and so it's nothing that's really too permanent, which is kind of nice. Well, that's easy enough. One job done. Now it's time to load it on the trailer, and let's go have an adventure. Now, we've been able to basically create a full enclosure through bits and pieces. So we have our windshield, we have some side windows, soft panel. These are some we got a few years ago. Benlari does make a set of these, so check those out. Then we have this rear window. It works so good. I like how clear the plastic is because I could still see out my rear windshield pretty good. Overall, not too bad of a way to create a cab enclosure without spending all the money on a cab enclosure.
How's the new back window?
Oh, that's so much better. It keeps all that snow from coming back in on you. Usually it would just swirl back in and fill us the cab full. It's so much better. Now, it's not like having a heater in the Ranger, but for a matter of a few little Velcro strips and some like sticky pad, that's great. And it makes it so much better out here in the cold because it's only 23 degrees or something like that. But yeah, that's good. Well, we should continue on, right? Yeah.
What do the boys think?
So much
awesome.
fun. Yeah.
All right, here goes Kara. She has to scoot the seat forward. Remember, Kara, if it gets wonky, just let off.
Okay.
Okay? Luckily, you just paid the insurance.
Yes, we did.
Think she's gonna wreck it?
I don't think so.
Don't think so?
Maybe she'll get close, but I don't know if she'll wreck it. She'll give us a scare.
She'll give us a scare?
Yeah.
Oh, will she spin it? There she goes. Well, should we go drive around the trails a bit?
Sure.
Okay. Was she all right, Miles? She's not too crazy?
I don't know if she's Jessie, though.
Well,
I just kidding.
don't tell her that. Now she's going to step it up.
She's going to crank it up a notch.
She's going to crank it up a notch for sure. What do you think, Kara?
So much better.
So much, isn't it? I didn't think it was going to make that big of a difference.
I didn't either.
But it's awesome.
And it's cold.
I mean, it's like 23 degrees out right now. But you were all right in there?
Yeah, it was fine.
Okay. Because I was selfish and jumped in with the heater.
I know. I know you were selfish. Hey guys, if you're interested in getting a Benlari rear windshield, definitely check out the link below. We'll leave all the information, website, discount code for you. Yes. Thanks guys for catching us this week. As always, we truly appreciate your viewership. And once again, thanks for enjoying the weekend with us. Enjoy yours.
Like and subscribe.
What was that?
Like and subscribe. And hit that bell.
Nephews, what do you do?
So much better than Mario Kart, though.
Yes. Take 10.